Abuse of the mind as Mentis Parasitus, like ignorance, pride, hate, jealousy and lust, confuse humankind with hypnosis hiatus from trance state wide through disgust. But if we will find way to be abatus, with mind boat parasites sailing with its gust, we have to reach the sail mood apparatus to don't ignite more wind than is must. Cleaning my boat from parasites and changing their role in enterprise is art of its sail. Depends if winward affects and guides or oppositely ward our emprise is in avail. But when sea is calm, then otherwise waves are small and some compromise is our prevail. That's why no thoughts and feelings at night on Tao ocean give sunrise even if we fail. After which we start all process from scratch with burden of patchwork memories that give us most part of information hunch how we can detach from all theories. With pragmatic restart, new day before brunch, cleaning by scratch memories for worries. If not, they tears apart, saved in time of lunch, and we are attached to the same histories. Feeding remains of the day through habits we cultivate from moment we get awake, avoiding to navigate mind-boat anti-rabbits of hurricanes that increases decision made. If we choose to replace them with hobbies, human fate becomes free will, it's change. Passion is that crucial moment of pupas that transformates it into butterfly range. If our enthusiasm became daily habit, we will stray from parasite influence on mind because we will focus on gain best results at the play instead of inside feeling unkind. It can be book, music or main activity when all game change from idling to unwind, like this prompt appertain to self-evolve life aim, that's essence of humankind. If our enthusiasm became daily habit, we will stray from parasite influence on mind because we will focus on gain best results at the play instead of inside feeling unkind. It can be book, music or main activity when all gain change from idling to unwind, like this prompt apparent to self-evolve life aim, that's essence of humankind.